Vacuum brazing furnaces operate from 600 to 1300 degrees Celsius. Stainless steel brazing at 950 to 1100 degrees. Copper and copper alloys around 1100 to 1120. Nickel-based superalloys at 1050 to 1200 degrees. Temperature uniformity within plus or minus 5 degrees ensures defect-free joints. From aerospace heat exchangers to carbide tool tips, vacuum brazing delivers clean, strong, oxidation-free bonds. Honeywell vacuum brazing furnaces. Precision engineered.